San Antonio, El Alamo. Welcome, bienvenido. This is a series of videos where I invite you to come along with me and discover San Antonio, Riverwalk, El Alamo, and some of the most beautiful places right here that a lot of people miss when they get to travel to San Antonio. So come along with me. So this is a series of raw videos where they won't be edited. So I won't be able to control the external sound, but I will try to share as much as possible with you. To enter to the Alamo is free, but it will be from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. only. You're welcome to donate. So you'll be walking along with me, and I'm going to try to keep this camera steady. So I want this tour to be to give you the perspective like if you were here with me, so you can get the most out of it. You're welcome to pause the video if you want to zoom in, zoom out to learn about specifics on this kind of information that is going to be displayed through the place. So we're inside of the gardens of the iconic Alamo here in San Antonio, Texas. The magnificent. There are some beautiful gardens, and it's limited the kind of video or pictures that we were allowed to take. Inside the Alamo, you're not allowed to record video or take pictures. So I know from years ago I've been inside and I have some pictures. So I will try to find it and make a video out of them. But so far, to this day, they're not allowed you to take video pictures inside the Alamo. So you are only allowed to visit the gardens and the surrounding areas. Today is Tuesday, so they usually around the garden they have some people performing different scenarios. But today we just get to see the gardens and the building and the walls around the Alamo. This place I have witnessed so much history and is the hardware. The independence of Texas had to happen in order to become part of the United States of America. This is not going to be a history video, but I recommend you to go ahead and do your own research. There's so much to learn about it. This is my second trip this week to the Alamo, and I have been lucky to find the things open. Usually over the weekend gets a little bit overcrowded and the lines are long. So I try to record it in the middle of the week. These walls are about 3 feet wide. It's just an amazing experience to walk through this place. I have several videos, and I'm committed to make more videos in English, although English is my second language, so I hope that you can understand my English. Late 18th century cannon. Caliber iron 6-pounder. Weight 901 pounds. Legend 55 inches. So you'll be able to see small, medium, on a larger cannon on the other side. You get here after 7 p.m. There's gonna be this fence, and then there's gonna be another little fence on the other side that will keep you from getting any close. So if you're not inside of the gardens, you won't be able to record all of this where we are right now. It seems to be one of the smallest canyons from the Battle of the Alamo. It's an iron 3-pounder. It weighs 436 pounds. It's 54 inches long, and the diameter of the bore is 3 inches. It was donated by the Maverick family. Do not touch, I don't want you to touch it. It's Tuesday, 6 p.m. So this is amazing that I'm able to record this like if I was here by myself. There's only a few people, and that's why I choose to be here today. Now, I am not taking pictures because this is a raw video. I don't edit my videos, as you will be able to tell if you watch my previous videos. It's because I want to make this video authentic, so it will give you the perspective as if you were walking along with me. That's absolutely the core of my videos, is to make it as real as possible. So perhaps you choose to come, or if you already did, you choose to come back and rediscover San Antonio and all its hidden treasures, culture, diversity, architecture, and many more things that San Antonio has to offer. I've been visiting San Antonio for many years, and every time there's always something new to discover, always something new to learn. And I'm sure this won't be the last. So I invite you to follow me, come along to this journey. I invite you to do research and learn more about the culture and the history behind all this heritage that many people give not just their blood, but they give their lives. A lot of people has worked so hard to turn San Antonio into what it is today. So I invite you to be part of it and inspire yourself, inspire other people to do something good for San Antonio, for Texas. At this time, there's not any tour guides available, but I know they have audio tour guides. Perhaps we come back another time. This is the back of the Alamo. You see the fence? It's not too high. It's probably 6-7 feet high. Probably about 2 feet wide. The Alamo has witnessed so much history. Remember, the Alamo started as a mission, then was turned into a fort. But as I say, I invite you to do research and learn yourself, because there's way too much to learn, and that will be a way too long video. So pause the video if you want to read along. This is, sorry, there's some mosquitoes around. There is the Alamo in 1836. So I won't be able to fit everything in one video, so I'm going to make a second video. So I look forward to see you on my next video. The Alamo itself is closed. You're not allowed to take pictures or video. The gift shop is open, so we want to check it out. We're inside of the gift shop here inside the Alamo. That's the history of Texas. That's how many flags have been raised through a couple centuries, through decades. At this very same place, the Alamo. Look like we're doing this on a Tuesday, 6:30 p.m. now. We're close at 7 p.m. So we're able to take a clean shot of, you know better than I, David Crockett. William Barrett Travis, an icon of the Alamo. Right here we have James Bowie. James Bowie. So this is on the right in front of the Alamo, where you will be able to come and walk around and enjoy this beautiful sight. Susanna Dickinson. She is an Alamo survivor and a businesswoman from Tennessee. This is to John William Smith, El Colorado. You're welcome to pause the video so you can read thoroughly. I hope you can take the time to read through these plates.
Conservation work. Preservation has been a part of my daily life ever since I was a baby. Working at the Alamo.
Erected in grateful recognition of the supreme act of the heroines of the 32 men from Gonzales who gave their lives into the Alamo in response to the appeal of Travis. Here's some highlights so you can do research. The mission period went from 1716 to 1793. By then, it was the Spanish flag raised at this point. The decline of the Spanish rule from 1794 to 1821, the Mexican flag. Then the struggle for the independence from 1822 to 1835, when it was the flag of the Constitution of 1824. By 1836, the birth of the Republic of Texas. From Republic to early statehood. From 1886 to 1997, from White House to Shrine. trying. We finish this video here with John William Smith, El Colorado. Give me a like, comment, subscribe. Look forward to see you in more of my videos so you come along with me and discover San Antonio Riverwalk. It's architecture, it's culture, it's people, it's diversity, not its secrets, and many more things that there is to discover. See you next time.